All right, it's Tuesday, and I just wanted to give you guys all a little tech tip. But if you got aluminum wheels on your car, and you take the wheel off, and this is all crusty and corroded, and I had to use them all to get these ones off. You definitely want to clean that up a little bit. So let me show you what you got to do, because if you don't clean it, your wheel could come loose, or even come to the point where it may fall off, especially on some Ford pickups. The big old 3/4 ton Ford pickups, you definitely want to clean those wheels, and then you want to make sure you get your wheel on there mated up correctly. That's a big important thing. Let me show you what we got to do to get it cleaned up. So I got a couple of tools over here. First, we're going to start, this is just a headlight polisher, and then I adapted it to Roloc. And there goes the furnace. I'm going to shut that off quick. But it's just a Roloc disc, and I use a flapper wheel. And this one's pretty used, but I'm going to use it up. And we want to hold this pretty flat. We don't want to gouge this at all. That's pretty good. We got all the corrosion off there. Sometimes I could take this and just go in here. Yeah, see that? Clean that up real nice. Or else I got another tool. We'll use this tool, which is just a paint remover wheel. And this one's really wore out, but I saved the wore out ones because then I can go in here. And you can even use this on this. All right, we got the wheel all cleaned up. Let's come over here. So first, let's just start with the flapper wheel. I just went in and put a new battery in. I do have these. I do have a link for these down in the description, but this is an AC Delco. I think they're a 12 volt, or they're a G12. All right, so that's as far as we're going to go with that one. I'd like to get some light on the subject here. So there we go. Next, we're going to get what's called a stud cleaner. So I get this at O'Reilly's, and they're just a stud cleaner. Best for the money that I've found. And they work really good. So next, we're just going to go around each one of these. And this is made to go right on your impact too, by the way, but I just use the adapter for the drill. Then you can also go like this. Next, we'll use a nylon brush. And I get these from Menards. And then we want to go around all this, any place that we've missed. So I'm focusing really on getting the hub pilot. The battery's gonna die. So I think that we got that really good, so let me show you the next step. So we can just blow this off or wipe it off. I'll just spray it with some brake clean. So next, we're going to want to put some kind of protector on there because aluminum, so what happens, this is what happens. These are two different metals. This is like a cast iron, and the wheel is aluminum. So those two metals react together and create, let's just say, a voltage, and that creates the corrosion. So we want to use some kind of a protector, and I use fluid film or surface shield, so either one works. I think today we'll use some surface shield. So I'm just gonna, and a lot of guys are gonna say, well, you can't get any stuff on your studs. But I'll say I've never had a trouble. I've been doing this for 34 years. You can just smear that around it. It doesn't matter. Just get it on there, and then we'll do that to the wheel too. So I'll go down here. And we'll just give her a spray just like that. So I'm going to go ahead now and get this wheel up here. Now I got her up there flush. We'll go ahead and get a lug nut on there. Now we'll go ahead and start the rest of these. Then we'll tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Now I just go around. And then when we get it back down on the ground, which I got to do the rest of the brakes on this car, but when we get it back on the ground, we'll torque them to a 100 to 110 foot-pounds. I always do 110 on these. And then when we get back from our test drive, we'll go ahead and we'll retorque them. So that'll make sure, and I do this for every car that comes into my shop that has corroded wheels. And then when they come back in for tire rotation or some other kind of service, I just got to spray a little spray on there. It's not corroded anymore. So that'll be the tech tip for today. And make sure you clean your wheels. You don't want any wheels to fall off or get loose. This car gets a lot of mileage. It goes up north and back here every week. So that's how I do it. And all those cleaners are readily available. I do have a link for the AC Delco G12 stuff in my description. So yeah, hopefully everybody works really hard today and has a good day. And thanks for watching. And you catch me next time.